Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, we used a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. I used it with the bit in my drill, and a 1/4-inch nut driver, but I used it with this bit. We're here on a Whirlpool electric dryer. The complaint is that there's a grinding noise, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Obviously we hear the grinding noise. From experience, I'm familiar with the problem. Something fell down the lint screen here and is in where the blower wheel is. So what we'd have to do is disassemble the unit from the rear, get that blower duct off, and then remove whatever debris is in there. Mess up the vent. So in order to get this part, we have to take out our lint screen. Just pulls right out. And then there are 2 Phillips screws right down here on the top. Now we can get to the back, remove the back panel on the blower duct. We're going to remove our back panel. Now we can access our blower duct right here. It's held in place by 4 screws down here at the bottom. Alright, now we're just going to pull it out. There's a pencil right down here that was in there causing our noise. They also have some other debris in here that we'll clean out for them in the bottom of this here. So we're going to remove all the debris that's not supposed to be here. Now we can reassemble. We have all the debris out. I'm just going to go with just the opposite. Back panel back out. We're going to put our 2 screws in here with our lint screen. And then we'll have to hook the vent back up, plug the unit in, and we'll start it up, make sure it's going to function properly. So we have everything put back together. We're just going to turn it on. And it's nice and quiet like it should. We're going to give it a moment or two to make sure that it's going to heat up properly. And then since we messed with the vent, we'll also go outside the home and verify that we have good airflow. So we're getting heat, so that's all set. And I'm just going to run outside with the dryer on and check my airflow and make sure that's fine. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.